Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Razorpay in the US for subscription billing, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Razorpay in the US for subscription billing, create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in all the required fields with your information. Verify your email address through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your Razorpay account. Navigate to the Settings tab on the dashboard. Under the Settings, find the API Keys section. Generate your API keys if you haven't done so already. Secure your API keys in a safe place as you'll need them for integration. Next, go to the Payment Links option in the sidebar. Create a new payment link specifically for subscription billing. Fill out the necessary details such as amount, currency, and billing frequency. Select the option for subscriptions under the payment link settings. Once completed, save the payment link. To integrate Razorpay for your website, choose the Integration tab from the dashboard. Select the method you want to use for the integration, such as a plugin or direct API integration. For API integration, download the Razorpay SDK applicable to your programming language. Follow the documentation provided by Razorpay for step-by-step integration instructions. Make sure to validate your integration in a test environment before going live. After testing, go back to the Settings tab to enable production mode. Keep an eye on the webhooks section to set up event notifications if necessary. Test the subscription feature once again to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, monitor your dashboard for any new subscription activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.